Good morning, friends. We are here, Healthy Organic Farm. I show you yesterday of the plantation of lemon. So this is a Kagzi lemon, Balaji Nimbu. We bring about from Rajmundri. Actually, mass number of crafting done due to the bank of river Godavari. So you can see we done the plantation and drip also started as right now. So total 200 plants is there in 1 acre. We kept 12 by 12 each plant distance, because when the cleaning process that tractor can move easily, due to that we kept the large amount of distance, even though many person keeping 14 also and 10 also, but 10 little bit when plant will growth, and after that the tractor can't move in between, so that we kept 12 by 12 only. And drip, you can say, as you I show you yesterday, drip and all we have started, and just now done, and we check the whether watering is properly or not. So it is done properly. Apart from that, you can see here left side we kept a take one. Apart from that, we will keep one more line of take or any like banana, because we kept here like we digged nearly 3 feet this side. So water logging should not be available in the land. Due to that, if heavy rain means, the water will go from this side to this side, and it will come from here, and it will go directly that side. Canal is available. So we are planning to do in this also some plantation like banana or teak itself, because it will best of land. So we can keep teak also or banana also. Let's see, we will do further of this one. Apart from that, what we are planning means, we are planning for that. Last time we planted usri. I will show you. Last year we planted usri nearly 60-70 plants. So that usri plants is growing well, but due to raining season, heavy uh, grass came in nearby the plant. So yesterday the person and all cleaned this grass area, and this one you can see that this side. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow it will clean fully, so it will be more like neat and clean, means growth will be more. One more observation for ushri is that when plant is growing, at the time what you need to do means, you need to cut from downside, because otherwise it will not take growth. Like this is a small plant, this is going downside. Otherwise give one support and sink by one any like any rope or anything, like this plant you can see, this is a spreading, but we need to put one rope round around, so it can be concentrated go upside. It should be go upside. After 5 feet it should be a spread, that will be well better, and that body of the plant will be strong, then only fruits will be survive on that one. Otherwise the plants will break, will be very big loss. Like I done one for this one, you can see we kept one support, and now this will go upside straight. All the leaves came, and all the new uh, growth will go directly upside. After 5 feet it will be a spread. So we need to do for that also some 10-20 plants is here available which are spreading. For that we need to do here, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, nearly 60 plant be having of usri. So this one be cleaning is necessary as raining is started. Apart from that, we having some unique plants also, like a red sandal be planted down on that side fully, but due to grass only it won't survive. This is red sandal. Some plants survived here. This is red sandal plant, you can see. Uh, this is also red sandal, and this is, we are using making plate, no, we are making plate in village. Ancient time we are using like a leaf plate in any marriage or any function. We are using foam, that is not good. So some 5 6 this plant also be kept for like our own use purpose. Here also the same, you can see. So when cleaning process start, we need to care again the plants and all. So this side fully teak available, in between 200 lemon plant, this side 60 usri, that is called amla. This side fully amla, 60 plant. That side 200 lemon. Why I kept lemon and amla both, means it's same variety. Due to that, initially we plant from lemon, not like amla only fully, but we decided that no, we need to put lemon also. So this side fully 200 lemon, and this side we having 60 plants of amla, and this side 200, more than 200 take plant is there. Last year we planted this one. uh, we need to keep cleaning of that side also for good growth of the raining season. This side we having six this one coconut available, before itself available. Now we are cleaning that side also. That side area we are cleaning fully. After cleaning process will complete, we will make one bay of that side, so bike or anything directly should come. And you can see the greenery is there. That is the take, as well as we having drumsticks and jamun, alm, all mango, all plantation is there. And apart from that, we having vermicompost bed also. What I want to say that if you having own farm, you need to do own compost. You need to make own compost. Due to my own compost, at the time of plantation, nearly 4 5 kg per plant we kept on that vermicompost. And upcoming days when it will be re-clean, and again we will put 5 5 kg. And we are using only waste manure for us. We are selling that quality manure, we are selling to customer. And the remaining, like some mixing of some sand, soil and all, so that one we are using. So it will be useful for our purpose also, and we are getting money by selling also. So you can do in that way. We need to do cleaning in this side fully. This side fully we need to do cleaning. So apart from that, you can see here, oh, it's working good. Drip what we did means it's very good. So we planted actually 2 days back, half lemon yesterday planted, but drip is not ready. So raining was available, due to that it survived. Otherwise the same day of plantation you need to put water, otherwise it will not survive, because inside that vermicompost is also there. And if at the same time water will not available in the root, so it won't be survive. Like some pipe reduce, so two line is still available to put pipe. We can put tomorrow also, because weather is okay, raining weather is okay. So this and all the things going on. You can see this side also we planted this one, red sandal. But this cleaning and all we have started today. So this fully need to clean, fully neat and clean. After that again we plant something. This is the mahogany plant. They are having one mahogany also. Some 4 5 mahogany available. Here one, I think 2 3 more. This is sandalwood, red sandal. This is also red sandal. This is red sandal. This is also red sandal. This is also red sandal. This is teak also available. So 3 upside mahogany available. Total I think 6 7 mahogany. We need to clean this area fully. Tree also be cleaned that side. We need to clean this one also. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you, that we first we planted here 2 years back. There he died the one plant, so one more plantation need to do. This one, curry leaf, we planted 2 years back. So now we planted only 8 9 plants, but many plants died and two plants only survive here. Two or three plants survive, I think. One more plant they are available. This is old. This is and the same time we planted. So this is growth is compared to more of this. So moreover, I want to show that how our farm is growing. Previously we showed front side, that side nothing was available, but now it is full greenery available. So this also the touchwood of your support and love of God, and due to motivation and hard work, this will also grow well, I hope so. And I have been planning, actually this is fully lemon, this is amla, that side one teak, one more and something, and this will be the bay of coming here. This is full the bay of coming here. Let's see how it work, but I'm thinking in that way, because water should go that side, so that side will not be a road, this side means okay. I will make one more video of front side overview after going there. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.